After almost 2 years, over 125 live streams, over 80 raps, an epic coloring book, and 2 co-located events in KubeCon, the Data on Kubernetes community was ready to go from online to offline. The first in-person meetup was held on March 24th in a small countryside town you've probably never heard of, London. Python Lab was started by David Stauffer and then led by Nic Vermande, a senior developer advocate at Ondat, in which he talked about how to get trusted delivery for stateful applications with GitOps and Policy as code. Oh yeah. But of course, we couldn't stop there. Jennifer Riggins, a creative tech storyteller, moderated a panel with Chris, Nick, Steve, and a guy who desperately needs a haircut. And of course, it wouldn't have been complete without some quality time to network and have fun, just like we used to back in 2019. You can expect more of these meetups in the future. As a matter of fact, the next one will be on April 21st in London. We'll be doing them in London and also all over the world. So if you want to get involved, come and talk to us on Slack.